Hello, teacher and parents. My name is Andres Arenas. I am 30 years old and like Florencia Caqueta. Today I am going to tell about the positive and negative effects on technology on very much. Firstly, and I am all like to the technology is very much in every part. Now, network can see people, cell phone, table, computer very much because technology was become in so many session for I like I am and today's world people depend of technology for everything. Homework, aging, tech, communication, and shopping. I find it rare for a person to have some type of technology device in this because however it is important mention and technology and positive and negative effects every month. I am consider the industrial revolution about new technology well, the immense power and it has been society continuing industrialization and forcing technology advancement in developed countries around the world. Taking on the heart in the world side height impact in technology in animals and cloud modes and the maze those all natural air. These in technologies have the math all world in the weight polishing and the passion of the natural. Physics and pollution or when harm or exertion question of gas such as carbon dioxide and methane introduction in the air as more. The consequences of air pollution include negative health impact for humans and animals and global warming. As you have global warming of school, to increase amount on the greenhouse gas in the air what causes the global in temperature to rise and they wait or planning the hope every day. Second, displaying the weight into rates and weight system by industry domestic weight species and other institutions had caused weight pollution for their reaction and considering that people with think seriously about the march to evidence and take action now because I am future in the I will die. People and star will frame action for the house and raising the guards, saving energy, saving wear and waging of the applicants and lads went not I am also. Thank you for your attention and for what to say or planet start right now. Thank you very much.